Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Auto Action panel and creating a new set and a new auto action. Do this now so your steps record into a named slot. Make sure you have the target file open, with the correct resolution and the layer you want selected, because Auto Action records layer-specific commands. Once ready, press the Record button and perform the first transformation, crop, resize, or a simple filter, so the action captures a reproducible starting step. Continue by recording the more detailed sequence of edits. Apply filters, run transform, and paint or erase where consistent. Use Insert command to add a timed pause or a parameter dialog when a variable value is needed, and keep actions generic by avoiding explicit layer name targets. Once you've recorded several steps, press Stop, then test play the action on a duplicate layer or sample file to verify behavior. Make adjustments and re-record only the problematic segment to keep the action tidy. To finish, run the auto action on a duplicate image first, so you can confirm the result without risk. Then apply it to your original file or batch process multiple files via File Batch Process. Save or export the action set from the panel menu so you can reuse it across projects. If the action fails, make sure the expected layer is active, rasterize vector or text layers, or merge visible layers that the action assumes. This single adjustment resolves most execution mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.